Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir and ma'am. My name is Julie Ann Cao. Happy married with 3 kids, ages 15 years old, 13 years old, and 11 months. Undergrad in college.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am, I have. I start in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, 5 years and 2 months. And the other one, I work in Qatar, 2 years and 8 months.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
As domestic helper, my duties and responsible to preparing food, wash and ironing clothes, marketing.
Did you take care of baby, child, or
Yes.
elderly?
Yes, sir, I took her child.
Can you tell us how can you take care of a child?
I took her child, preparing food, taking a bath, playing with her together.
Aside from that, what is your skills?
My special kids, I know how to cook Arabian food, Tagalog food, and I'm willing to learn how to cook a Chinese food.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
To become honest, loyal, hardworking, and respectful to others.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Like I said, I am honest, hardworking, respectful, and I hope to see you soon, Sir Ma'am. Thank you.